Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. Some time ago I had an infestation of the brown soft scale insect, the Coccus hesperidum. To combat these insects I used predatory wasps, Microterys nietneri. In this video I'm going to show you how I used the predatory wasps to remove the scale insects. It would really help me if you could subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. I put all the infected plants in a plastic box. The parasitoid wasps come delivered in a small plastic tube. Open the lid of the tube quickly. Place the tube in a plastic container and put the lid over the box. See how the predatory wasps come out of the tube. They will quickly find their prey, the scale insects, and lay their eggs inside them. When the eggs come out, the scale insect will be dead. Thank you for watching this video on how to use predatory wasps against scale insects. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!